This Millennial Realty property video is presented by Rubzin. Move-in ready. Wonderful 3-bedroom 2-bathroom property that was just recently renovated. LVP flooring is installed throughout the property. Stainless steel appliances in the kitchen as well. Non-refundable $50 application fee for all adults over 18. Non-refundable pet fee of $400, no pets over 40 pounds. Pets are conditional, breed restrictions apply. No smoking. Renter's insurance required. Agent-owned property. For more information, review the details below.